Hey guys, Ricardo, Ghost Pirate. You gotta check this out. I got all this Skylanders, the bin, full bin. Well, not full bin, almost halfway, pretty much. Um, all these portals. Let me show you guys. All these portals. I got all this for this whole Skylanders bin portals. $10. So that's $10. I got a good deal on these. There's more in here. The whole bag. And there's a bunch of rare ones in here. There's one. This one is one of them. You can check these out on eBay. This one is another one. Another one. There's a bunch of them here. Too many to even show you. There's probably about 500 in here in the bin, and I got all this for $10. So I'll be on this video. I'm gonna be showing not all of them because I'll be here forever. So I'm gonna show you some of them, probably about 30 of them or so. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.